Step into Esoteric Billionaire Mindset, the realm where ancient wisdom and binary code converge to unlock the hidden architecture of your reality. Here, you enter a higher dimension of consciousness, one reserved for visionaries, leaders, and those destined to break generational limits. Within this space, we explore the mysteries of the mind and the universe to activate the limitless potential encoded within you. Our binary system is engineered to reprogram your subconscious, elevate your frequency, and align you with the timeline of abundance you were born to experience. Through a fusion of timeless universal principles, modern psychological mastery, and elite success strategies, we guide you to reset your inner blueprint, dissolve the illusions of limitation, unlock the pathways of wealth, power, and purpose, and step boldly into the destiny that's been calling your name. This is not motivation. This is mind architecture, energetic recalibration, and identity elevation. You are not becoming wealthy. You are remembering the wealth that has always existed within you. To activate your billionaire timeline, repeat these affirmations daily, especially in front of a mirror. Speak them with emotion, clarity, and absolute certainty. Visualize each statement as already true in your current reality. Pair them with deep breathing or meditation for maximum subconscious integration. Feel the energy shift within you. Emotion is the frequency that programs the quantum field. The more you embody these words, the faster your external world will reorganize to match your inner transformation. Let's begin. Your billionaire identity activates now. Your destiny is already unfolding. I am stepping into the highest, wealthiest, most powerful version of myself. I feel my energy rising, aligning me with abundance on every level. I see myself living the life I have always known was meant for me. I hear my inner voice guiding me with clarity and certainty. I know I am destined for extraordinary success. I believe in my ability to manifest anything I desire. I receive every blessing, opportunity, and miracle assigned to me. I am a magnet for wealth. Money moves toward me with ease and desire. I feel the frequency of richness radiating through my entire aura. I see myself surrounded by luxury, prosperity, and limitless opportunities. I hear the sound of success echoing through every decision I make. I know wealth is my birthright, and I claim it boldly. I believe money is drawn to my energy because I am aligned with abundance. I receive unexpected income, high-level clients, and life-changing opportunities. I am magnetic, unforgettable, and impossible to ignore. I feel my aura expanding, becoming powerful, attractive, and influential. I see people respond to my presence with respect and admiration. I hear doors opening for me everywhere I go. I know my energy upgrades every room I enter. I believe the right people recognize my value immediately. I receive loyalty, support, and powerful alliances. I am thinking, acting, and building like a billionaire every day. I feel the confidence, clarity and composure of a high-level leader. I see myself creating generational wealth and global impact. I hear my intuition revealing the next moves on my empire path. I know my success is inevitable and accelerating daily. I believe my ideas and vision are worth billions. I receive divine guidance, strategic insights, and elite opportunities. I am synchronized with the quantum field of abundance. I feel reality shifting in my favor every time I speak my desires. I see signs, synchronicities, and confirmations everywhere I look. I hear the universe whisper, "You are ready. It's your time." I know everything I want already exists on my timeline. I believe my vibration is creating my next level in real time. I receive manifestations faster and easier than ever before. I am worthy of luxury, success, and unconditional abundance. I feel deeply confident in who I am and who I'm becoming. I see my own greatness with clarity and reverence. I hear empowering thoughts, guiding me to my highest potential. I know I am chosen for something extraordinary. I believe in my divine identity and unstoppable power. I receive love, success, honor, and infinite blessings. I am building an empire that transforms lives and inspires millions. I feel my leadership becoming stronger, sharper, and more influential. I see myself commanding rooms, networks, partnerships, and opportunities. I hear the applause of a world forever changed by my contribution. I know I am called to create, lead, and elevate humanity. I believe my legacy will be remembered for generations. I receive the resources, connections, and divine support to build my empire. I am walking the path the universe designed specifically for me. I feel aligned with my destiny, my purpose, and my higher self. I see my dreams materializing in divine timing. I hear confirmation from the universe in every synchronicity. I know I am exactly where I need to be. I believe everything is unfolding in my favor. I receive miracles, breakthroughs, and quantum leaps. I am a magnet for prosperity, opportunity, and divine abundance. Wealth is my natural state, and I embody it with ease. Every day, I expand into higher levels of success and limitless riches. I attract money, luxury, and high-level opportunities without chasing. I trust my power. I trust my path. I trust my destiny. I am disciplined, focused, and unstoppable in everything I do. I lead my life with clarity, strength, and elevated consciousness. I make decisions with confidence because my intuition is laser sharp. I am the master of my mind, my emotions, and my future. My energy is rare, powerful, and unforgettable. My presence commands respect, admiration, and loyalty. I radiate an elite frequency that only aligned souls can access. My aura expands with every breath, drawing in everything meant for me. I influence reality with my thoughts, vibration, and inner genius. I think like a billionaire. I build like a billionaire. I rise like a billionaire. My mind is wired for wealth, expansion, and generational impact. I create an empire that transforms lives and outlives me. I am called to lead, to innovate, and to change the world. My legacy is inevitable because I am aligned with a higher purpose. I believe in myself with a certainty that shakes timelines. I am chosen. I am guided. I am divinely protected. Everything I desire is already written with my name on it. I am worthy of luxury, success, and the highest levels of abundance. I step into my destiny with courage and unstoppable momentum. I operate from a higher frequency, and my mind is limitless. My awareness expands daily, revealing new paths to wealth and mastery. I am connected to the quantum field, and I manifest with precision. I rise above fear, doubt, and limitation. They have no power over me. I create my reality through intention, vibration, and divine alignment. I lead with integrity, strength, and unshakable vision. People are inspired by my discipline, energy, and excellence. My voice activates others. My presence elevates rooms. I move with purpose, clarity, and power. I am a born leader. My leadership creates wealth, change, and transformation. This is your identity now. Let it integrate into your subconscious. You are wealth. You are power. You are the billionaire frequency. This isn't just a channel. It's a frequency, a movement, a portal into the hidden architecture of reality. Join our global circle of visionaries and awaken the power that has always lived within you. Every subscription strengthens the field. Every light amplifies the signal. Every mind that joins us accelerates a collective rise. Together, we ascend to 1 million awakened minds and beyond.